Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Welcome to the next video in the Buy Me a Coffee series. This is a thank you video, especially for Hillbilly Mutt Rider, who bought me a coffee recently. Thank you very much. With the money you sent over, I brought this. Yes, your eyes do not deceive you. This is a Vimto energy drink loaded with caffeine. Not exactly a coffee as such, but definitely of the caffeine variety. Picked this up for £1 in my local shop. 95 calories, and this is exactly what I needed on the day I bought this. To be honest with you, I was really flagging. It was then nearing the end of a busy week, and I had a bit more work to do. So this just helped me get that over the line. To be honest with you, if you've not tried this before, I have to be honest with you guys, it's delicious, to be honest with you. And since I've gone back and bought some more of these, and I've been a bit naughty and mixed it with vodka as well, and do you know what, wink wink, nudge nudge, it's delicious. Do not drink and drive. But yeah, as I say, I loved Vimto as a kid. Had it. It's a bit of a British institution, to be fair. This gets a complete seal of approval from myself, a royal thumbs up, if you will, from myself. So yeah, happy recommend that. And thank you, Hillbilly Mutt Rider, for buying me a coffee. I really do appreciate it. Do you know what? Let's have some more. Go on, let's have some more. Yeah, let's top up the glass. It's really, really tasty, folks. Just don't drink too many of these, because of course they are not good for you. But in moderation, pretty much everything's good. Most things. Anyway, thank you very, very much. If you'd like to buy me a coffee and show your appreciation, you're more than welcome to do so. All the information to do this is in the video description and comments section. Thanks for watching, guys. Next compilation will go live on Friday at 4:30. Hope to see you then. Cheers then. Bye-bye.